Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, as you all know, I am quite obsessed with the decoupage art and I just love this decoupage art, and I've been making a lot of articles using this art. So I just thought, why not showcase all my decoupage tissue napkins and decoupage paper and share my collection with you all today. So in today's video, I'll be sharing all my decoupage napkin collection category wise with all of you. So do watch this video till the end. I have really pretty and beautiful decoupage napkin collection. So let's get started with the video. And before starting, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. So guys, the first category in which I'll be showing you my collection is the floral category, and these are some floral tissue napkins which I have. This is a small one. It is a 2-ply tissue napkin. Then this is the next one in beautiful yellow and pink combination. This is again a purple combination. Usually for these kind of tissue napkins, I use it for my planters or my different type of boxes, so that it matches with the theme. This is one of my favorite tissue napkin. I have used this a lot, mostly on all my candles. I'll show you another piece. I think it got stuck. Yeah. So this is how it looks. It is extremely pretty, and the pastel shades of this napkin add more beauty to any article which you work on. So these are the pretty roses. And this is one more pink lily kind of flowers napkin. Again some roses in pastel shades. Guys, I have been collecting these tissue napkins since last 5 years as of now. So I have got really a huge collection of these napkins, and I keep updating my collection according to the order, according to the theme, according to festivals. So this is a beautiful sunflower. Again some pink flowers. Some pretty rose. Again a rose. Then some hibiscus in black. This is again some planter design with flowers. I have made a nameplate using this, which I'll show you. I made it for my home. So this is a napkin, and this is my nameplate. I have used this tissue over here, and this is another bird tissue which I'll be showing you in the next category. So this is a beautiful nameplate using color blending technique, and I made it on a piece of wood. So this is how you can use it. One more beautiful rose which is very much into demand. I make a lot of candles using these roses. They look beautiful. Some more rose and butterfly design. Some blue flowers. This is my new napkin which I'm yet to use. I just love the color combination of this. So I have not yet finalized on which article I'm going to use this napkin, but I'll surely use it. You can see the beautiful blue butterflies on it. One more vibrant tissue with all the colors. I have made a bottle using this. You can see this beautiful decoupage bottle. I have also shared the tutorial of this bottle on my channel. So guys, do check out that tutorial. I'll share the link in the description box. Black napkin with roses, and then some red, and a big sunflower. So this was my floral collection, guys. Now I'll show you my animal and bird collection. Guys, next come my beautiful bird and butterfly and animal collection. So this is the first one with beautiful butterflies on it. I like the bird tissue napkin a lot, so I keep on collecting these type of napkins, the beautiful birds. Then this was one Christmassy design which I got, but I haven't yet used it. I'll surely use it. Then the small designs of birds. I'll share the link of the websites from which I keep purchasing these tissue napkins. So do check out the links in the description box. I haven't purchased it from one site. I keep on checking all the websites of decoupage napkins, and I keep upgrading my collection. Some beautiful robins in snow. Again, a very beautiful and pretty design. Some robins in Christmassy theme. This is again one of my favorite. Very beautiful blue and orange bird. I have made a mixed media art using this napkin. I'll show you that. So this is a bird, and this is my mixed media art in which I have used this blue birds, and I have done all the work with the corrugated sheets of cardboard, and these are some small seashells which I have used in this mixed media art along with stenciling work. So you can see this is how you can make use of the tissue napkin decoupage plus mixed media art. Fluorescent napkin with beautiful colorful butterflies, then some cranes, again some beautiful butterfly. This is again my new napkin which I'll be using soon. Beautiful peacock. This peacock, I have made a bottle using this. It's a jungle theme peacock, and this is my bottle. So I hope it's visible. This is how I've used it on the bottle. Then again a very cute and pretty design, robin and the squirrel. And again a beautiful peacock. Guys, these are pretty kids tissue napkins which I use it for kids candles and all other projects. So you can see this is a beautiful Mickey and Friends napkin. With this I have made this jute bag. You can see how well it is adhered to the jute bag, and you can make such bags, pouches or canvases for kids. Then a pretty mini. This is again a Sophia napkin with which I have made this jute bag. I have shared the video tutorial of this bag on my channel, so do check out. Link will be shared in the description box. Disney princesses. A cute little elephant. And here comes kids' favorite. That is a Peppa. Kids absolutely love this minion. Spider-Man, I have 2 to 3 designs in this. This is one and this is another. A different Sophia. Shimmer and Shine. Frozen. Peppa and George. Then this is Paw Patrol. Again some Disney princesses. I have made a set of 5 to 6 candles of this napkin for my friend's daughter, and she absolutely loved it. Her theme was Disney princesses. So I have made 5 because she was turning 5. So 5 different pillar decoupage candles using this napkin. And some superhero. Then this is a sea theme. Some unicorns, again a mini. Toy Story. And this is with some animals. And this is cars and different vehicles. Now let's move on to some abstract designs, in which I have this. First one is the garden decor. This is a unique flower design. With this you can just decoupage your kettles or cups or kitchen pans or saucepans. So this is a beautiful one. Then some cupcakes. Again some cookies, cupcakes, donuts. I have made a fridge magnet using this one. Again a beautiful food napkin, food themed tissue napkin. Some more. This is a beautiful Buddha design which I haven't used yet. I'm planning to use it on one of the bottle, in which I'll keep the bottle in the meditation room, or maybe I can make some other art, not exactly the bottle. So I have not yet finalized. Let's see. This is a beautiful girl with flowers. Again an abstract art, Egyptian abstract art. I made one bottle using this napkin and I gifted it to my friend, but I'm not having that bottle. Sea themed with a lighthouse and some shells. Then this is again with some peacock feathers. Now I'll show you my Valentine decoupage collection. I'm not having much in that. I made a bottle using these two, the love one and these hearts. I'll show you the bottle. So guys, this is the bottle which I made using this napkin. So video tutorial is there on my channel. Do check out the video tutorial, guys. some more heart printed, sorry. And the last one is my Christmas collection. This is one Easter egg napkin, which I am thinking of using it this April. Some snowman, some Santa. I've made a lot of candles using these pretty napkins this Christmas, and my customer absolutely loved it. Most of the tissues I use it on my candles because basically I'm a candle maker. So most of them I use it on my candle. Though I make many other projects, but most of them are on the candles. And a few more. So guys, this was all about my tissue napkins. Now I'll show you my decoupage papers. Currently I'm not having much of them, but few of them I'm having. I'll show them. This is one which I purchased for Diwali last year. I have made a lantern using this, and the tutorial for the same is on my channel. Some mandala design, and then some traditional elephant, some peacock, and a beautiful peacock feather. So guys, this was all about my decoupage tissue napkin collection. I hope you like my collection, and do let me know in the comment section if you want me to make any article using any of your favorite tissue napkin which I have showed you today. I'll be really happy to show you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and keep watching Enchanting Lights for all such wonderful videos. Thank you. Bye bye.